Hey everyone, welcome back to English Mode On. If you've ever felt intimidated about stepping into a gym for the first time, you're not alone.
That's right. Many beginners feel overwhelmed, not knowing what exercises to do, how to use the equipment, or if they're even working out correctly.
So today we're going to break it all down for you. We'll share some science-backed tips, practical examples, and a step-by-step plan for beginners to train effectively at the gym.
Let's get started.
Imagine this. You sign up for a gym membership, you walk in, and suddenly you see people lifting heavy weights, running on treadmills, and using all sorts of machines you don't recognize.
You feel lost. Should you start lifting weights? Do cardio? Stretch? You don't want to look clueless, but you also don't want to get injured.
This is exactly why so many people either quit early or waste time doing ineffective workouts. But don't worry, we've got you covered.
Step 1. Start with a plan. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is going to the gym without a plan. Research shows that structured workout programs lead to better results than random exercises.
Exactly. A 2018 study published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research found that individuals who followed a structured program gained more strength and endurance compared to those who just winged it.
So, what should a beginner's plan look like? Let's break it down. Step 2. Focus on full body workouts.
When you're new, it's best to start with full body workouts instead of training only one muscle group per session. This helps build a strong foundation.
A good starting routine includes exercises like squats, push ups, rows, and deadlifts because they work multiple muscles at the same time.
Think of it this way. If you only train your arms, you'll miss out on building strength in your legs and core. Full body workouts ensure that you're improving your overall fitness.
Plus, research suggests that compound exercises like squats and deadlifts lead to better muscle activation and calorie burning compared to isolation exercises. Step 3. Master the basics before adding weight.
A lot of beginners make the mistake of lifting heavy weights too soon. This increases the risk of injury.
Instead, start with bodyweight exercises or light weights to perfect your form. Good technique is far more important than how much you lift.
Imagine someone doing squats with bad form. They might end up with knee pain or back injuries, but if they focus on proper technique first, they'll avoid setbacks in the long run.
Step 4. Don't skip warm-ups and cool-downs. Warming up before exercise is crucial. Studies show that dynamic warm-ups help increase flexibility, reduce injury risk, and improve performance.
A simple warm-up could be 5 to 10 minutes of light cardio, followed by some dynamic stretches like leg swings and arm circles.
And don't forget to cool down after your workout. Stretching helps with recovery and reduces muscle soreness. Step 5. Find a routine you enjoy.
If you hate running, don't force yourself to do it. The best workout is the one you enjoy and can stick to.
Maybe you prefer strength training, yoga, or cycling. Experiment with different exercises until you find what keeps you motivated.
Exactly. Consistency is key. Studies show that people who enjoy their workouts are more likely to stick with them long term.
So let's go back to the beginning. You're walking into the gym for the first time, but now you have a plan. You know to focus on full body workouts, master the basics, warm up properly, and find a routine you enjoy.
Instead of feeling lost, you feel confident. And that confidence will help you stay consistent and reach your fitness goals.
Remember, everyone starts somewhere. The most important thing is to keep going and improve step by step.
Absolutely. Now, let's go over today's key words and phrases. Step into the gym, to enter a gym, and start working out. Example, I finally decided to step into the gym and start my fitness journey.
Feel overwhelmed. To feel stressed or anxious due to too much information. Example, I felt overwhelmed when I saw so many workout machines and didn't know where to start.
Structured workout program, a planned exercise routine designed for specific goals. Example, having a structured workout program helped me stay on track and see progress.
Full body workouts, exercises that train multiple muscle groups at once. Example, I prefer full body workouts because they save time and work on overall strength.
Compound exercises, movements that engage more than one muscle group, e.g. squats, deadlifts. Example, Squats are a great compound exercise because they target your legs, core, and back.
Isolation exercises, exercises that target a single muscle, e.g., bicep curls. Example, bicep curls are an effective isolation exercise to build arm strength.
Perfect your form to learn the correct way to perform an exercise. Example, before lifting heavier weights, I made sure to perfect my form to avoid injury.
Dynamic warm-up, active movements that prepare your body for exercise. Example, a dynamic warm-up, like jumping jacks and arm swings, helps me get ready for my workout.
Cool down, light exercises or stretching done after a workout. Example, I always cool down with some stretching to prevent muscle soreness.
Stick to a routine. To follow a consistent exercise schedule. Example, the key to fitness success is to stick to a routine that works for you.
Now, we want to hear from you. What's your biggest struggle when it comes to working out at the gym? Let us know in the comments.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fitness and language tips. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.